Good day! In this lesson we will explain more about how to find and mount necessary volumes. In the past lessons we analyzed volumes using vertical and horizontal histograms, and also via clusters and the tick bars. We also said that it's important to identify the volume. In this case, we see that everything marked in red is the maximum volume of the bar. But we do not know whether it's important for us or not. We need to understand what volumes are important. In order to find this volume, we use the module Cluster Search. This module allows you to find the necessary volume for the selected period. For example, let's select all volumes of ticker mini CNP from September 14 till October 26 of this year. Bar size equals 0. Let interval be 60 minutes. Price scale was 0.5. We also put 0.5. Click Apply. Next we look at the total amount of data provided. There are 718. Group it up at the maximum amount of clusters, a column max volume. Next, using Pareto principle, let's select 20%. 20% from 718 is approximately 143. I were interested in the amount of over 21,095. Remember this figure. Go back to Cluster Profile. In the Setup menu, choose Volume Limit. We pause the figure we remember. Let's express it in a whole as 21,000. This is Volume Low Limit. Volume High Limit is the extra volume. This number is twice as much. Now we have identified the volumes that we're interested in. We need to watch how the price reacts to this volume. We can also see the extra volumes that occasionally occur, as well as the reaction of price to the extra volume. We can also select the required values for vertical and horizontal bar charts. Let's enter the value of 120,000 for the high limit and 60,000 for the low limit on horizontal bar chart. We see how location and colors of horizontal histogram changed. In such a large period, it's not very important for us. But if we choose a smaller period, for example 1 week, we can see where was the main accumulation of volumes. Often the price returns to these accumulations. You can also select vertical histogram. Let's enter a value of 300,000 for the high and 150,000 for the low. We can see within what hours the most active work is. Now we have displayed all important volume which can be useful for us. In the next lesson we will explain how to install the support and resistance levels based on the analysis of volumes. Cheers!